Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video is another unboxing for the Pinchme box. So this I'm excited about because I know what's inside and we're going to open it up. Let's see. People normally use box cutters, but I'm not normal. So open this up. Let's see the fun freebies that are inside. So when you don't if you don't qualify for the samples, sometimes they'll have other promotions where they're testing out full-size samples, like the Garnier video that I posted before. I'll put the link down below so you can see that video. And yeah, so it's just so I can test out, and what I received is the cream moisture from Nivea and the men's Nivea refreshing 3-in-1 body wash, shower, shampoo, and refresh. It's a cool scent. These are for care for dry skin, 24-hour fresh. So for my husband and I to try out, and then what we have to do is write a review about it if we like the product or not. I'm trying to open it up. It smells good. It smells like the cream. I also have a video for that I got free Nivea from another company. I'll put that link down below. Ooh, I like the men's one. It's so like masculine, I get. It's so like, I don't know, it smells really good with icy menthol. So see how my husband likes this, and I'm going to try this out and see how well these work out. But yeah, so if you want to get free products, sign up for Pinchme. I'll put the link down in the description so you can sign up, get free stuff. And yeah, it's free. So like always, like and subscribe for more videos. Bye.